Hi there, my name's Ken. Welcome along to this F2 English Conversations course. This course is for beginner English students and also those who have some knowledge of English and want to improve their smoothness, their pronunciation and their fluency when they're speaking. So this is the second course in the series, in the Foundation series of English Conversations, and it follows on from the F1 course. The vocabulary is a little bit more difficult than F1, and also the structures are a little bit more difficult, they're a little bit longer. So this will really help you to build on what you've learned from the F1 course and to take your English to the next level. The most important thing from these lectures is really to get yourself confident, to get yourself comfortable, and to get yourself speaking English. English has a rhythm to it, and in these lectures you're going to be learning how to speak English smoothly and with a rhythm that you're comfortable with. Don't try and speak too fast, just try and speak correctly at the beginning, and this way you will learn some good habits. If you know English already, perhaps you've picked up some bad habits. These lectures will try and help you get into the good habits when you're speaking English. So I hope you enjoy the course, and I hope you see yourself improving in your English. And if you have any questions, please feel free to message me. So thanks very much for watching. My name's Ken, and good luck.